So kids, today we are going to start new theme, insects. Insects means कीड़े मकोड़े. कीड़े मकोड़े. हनी बी, शहद की मक्खी. हनी बी, शहद की मक्खी. हाउस फ्लाई, मक्खी. हाउस फ्लाई, मक्खी. बटरफ्लाई, तितली. बटरफ्लाई, तितली. ड्रैगनफ्लाई, ड्रैगनफ्लाई. ड्रैगनफ्लाई, ड्रैगनफ्लाई. मॉस्किटो, मच्छर. मॉस्किटो, मच्छर. Now tell me, where is butterfly? Very good. Now can you point out honeybee? Very nice. What is this? Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Very good. Now can you tell me what is this?
Housefly, makhi.
Excellent job. So kids, I hope you have learned insects name in English and Urdu. Thank you. Keep learning at home. Allah Hafiz. So kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good and I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Kids, today we are going to learn creeping insects. These are creeping insects. Creeping means रेंगने वाले कीड़े. Let's start. Ant, chooty.
Ant, chooty.
Ladybird, ladybird.
Ladybird, ladybird.
Cockroach, lalbeg.
Cockroach, lalbeg.
Grasshopper, tidda.
Grasshopper, tidda.
Spider, makdi.
Spider, makdi.
Now we are going to match miniature objects with these flashcards. Ladybird.
Ladybird.
Let's find out where is ladybird. Ladybird, ladybird. Wow. This is ant. Ant. Where is ant? Grasshopper. Let's find out where is grasshopper. Ooh, spider. Spider is here. Cockroach. Cockroach, cockroach. Now repeat after me. Ant, chooty.
Ant, chooty.
Ladybird, ladybird.
Ladybird, ladybird.
Cockroach, lalbeg.
Cockroach, lalbeg.
Grasshopper, tidda.
Grasshopper, tidda.
Spider, makdi.
Spider, makdi.
So kids, I hope you have learned creeping insects. Keep learning at home. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Students, we are going to revise theme of insects. Insects means कीड़े मकोड़े. Flying insects. उड़ने वाले कीड़े. These are flying insects. Housefly, makhi. Housefly, makhi. Mosquito, machhar. Mosquito, machhar. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Butterfly, titli. Butterfly, titli. Honeybee, शहद की मक्खी. Honeybee, शहद की मक्खी. Creeping insects. भीगने वाले कीड़े. These are creeping insects. Spider, मकड़ी. Spider, मकड़ी. Ladybird, ladybird. Ladybird, ladybird. Grasshopper, tidda. Grasshopper, tidda. Ant, chiooti. Ant, chiooti. Cockroach, lalbeg. Cockroach, lalbeg. So kids, I hope you have understood flying insects and creeping insects. Keep learning at home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.